Well, I want to thank God first and foremost for this tremendous appointment, and also thank my principal, distinguished Senator Rochas Okorocha, for this great appointment. On behalf of myself and other members of my Central Planning Committee for this appointment, well deserved. And on behalf of all the 7 members, he also appointed in each of the 12 local government areas of Imo State. You know, my principal is a man who has a tremendous history of philanthropy in this nation and in the world, globally. He's a man that over the years has had to train a lot of children, and he's still training a lot of children in schools spread across over 14 states of the Federation, and also training students from 55 African countries who are on his scholarship. So nobody is in doubt about his capacity for philanthropy. So when this coronavirus pandemic hit the world and they're spreading into Africa and Nigeria, we've been planning. He's been planning as his legislative aide. We've been planning on how to send palliatives to our constituents. And for that reason, he's a man that likes details. For that reason, he took his time to appoint this committee made up of men and women of integrity, so that the materials will get to where they're supposed to get to. We have our data we're working with, we have our people we're working with, and we know that this committee, when they get to the various local governments, are going to work with traditional institutions, they're going to work with the clergy, and work with men on ground, different interest groups on ground, to ensure that people who need these palliatives get these palliatives. Beyond all this, there's going to be a lot of enlightenment, which will be the responsibility of the committee at the various local governments, to enlighten our people on social distancing, on proper hygiene, and other things that have been recommended by World Health Organization, by nations across the world, by federal government of Nigeria, ably led by President Muhammadu Buhari, to ensure that we do all those things government says people should do. Yes, social distancing, we hear today people want to jump into the street and all that. We quite appreciate, but we're calling on people from Imo West to be patient and not behave like others, so that these things will not spread. So once more, I want to thank the senator and assure our people that Ihe Diche Gadi. Thank you and God bless.